everyone, welcome to eKnowledge Hub. I'm Manjusha and in this video, we are going to continue our verbs chapter. So this is the part 2 of verbs. In part 1, we have discussed what is verb, types of verbs, and we have discussed the first two types. Those are main verbs and auxiliary verbs in detail. Now let's see the third one. The third one is weak verbs, which are also called regular verbs. So what are they? A regular verb is a verb which forms its past and past participle forms, that is V2 and V3 forms, by simple addition of D or ED. If you add D or ED to V1 and if you get V2 and V3, that is a regular verb or a weak verb. It is so called because regularly, that is how we form past and past participle forms. For example, use, used, used, wash, washed, washed, walk, walked, walked, paint, painted, painted, hope, hoped, hoped. Now let's see the rules associated with regular verbs. Rule number 1. When a regular verb ends with E, add D to form V2 and V3 forms. For example, smile, smiled, smiled, live, lived, lived, loud, loud, loud. Rule number 2. When a regular verb doesn't end with letter E, add ED to form V2 and V3 forms. For example, hold, 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 pray, prayed, prayed, sold, 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 or sown. Rule number 3. If a regular verb ends with Y, replace Y with I before adding ED. For example, study, studied, studied, carry, carried, carried, marry, married, married. Rule number 4. If a regular verb ends with a single consonant and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel, then double the consonant before adding ED. For example, drag, dragged, dragged, stop, stopped, stopped. Rule number 5. To make present participle forms, that is V4, the ing forms, you have to drop E if a regular verb ends with E before adding ing. Look at the examples. Cause, causing, use, using, save, saving, cure, curing. So drop E. Now let's move on to the fourth type, that is irregular verbs, which are also called strong verbs. So what are they? As the name indicates, they do not form their past and past participle forms, that is V2 and V3 forms, by simple addition of D or ED. Then, how do they form? They form in 3 different ways. Hence, we have 3 different sets of irregular verbs. For example, cut, 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 run, ran, run, see, saw, see. If you look at these 3 sets of examples, you can understand there are different ways. In set 1, all 3 forms are same. Cost, 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 put, 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 set, 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 cast, 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 hit, 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 read, 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 shut, 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 cut, 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 telecast, telecast, telecast. Now let's see set 2. In set 2, any 2 forms are same, either V1, V3, V2, V3, but not by adding DRED. For example, build, built, build, bend, bent, bent, come, came, come, get, got, got or gotten, catch, caught, caught, deal, Dealt, dealt. Hold, held, held. Creep, crept, crept. Lose, lost, lost. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Now let's see set 3. In set 3, all 3 forms are different. For example, ring, rang, rung. Sing, sang, sung. Speak, spoke, spoken. Swim, swam, swum. Take, took, taken. Fall, fell, fallen. Lie, lay, lain. Grow, grew, grown. Go, went, gone. Freeze, froze, frozen. So these are the 3 sets of our irregular verbs. Here there is an exception. There are some verbs which form their past and past participle forms in regular way and irregular way. For example, burn, burned, 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 burned. But which way is correct? Which way should we follow? Both ways are correct. American English takes ED form, whereas British English takes T form. So burn, burnt, burnt as per British English, burned, burned as per American English. Look at some similar examples. Learn, learned, learned, learnt, learned. Dream, dreamed, dreamed or dreamt, dreamt. Spill, spilled, spilled, spilt, spilt. Dwell, dwelled, dwelled, dwelt, dwelt. Smell, smelled, smelled, smelt, smelt. Spoil, spoiled, spoiled, spoilt, spoiled. Lean, leaned, leaned, lent, lent. So these are regular and irregular verbs. Now let's see the next one. The 5th one, causative verbs. What is a causative verb? Causative verb is a verb which causes another action to happen. That means it is followed by another verb which shows the other action. Generally, causative verbs are followed by infinite verbs, that is to infinitive, bare infinitive. There are 2 types of causative verbs. Causative verbs which are called true causative verbs, let, have and make, which are only followed by bare infinitives but not 2 infinitives. They are called true causative verbs because causative verbs are generally followed by bare infinitives. But there are other causative verbs like cause, allow, help, force, enable, require, persuade, etc. are followed by 2 infinitives. Causative verbs designate the action necessary to cause another action to happen. Look at these examples. The teacher had the students write a test. He got his hair cut. She made her children do their homework. Why did she let this happen? Now let's see the 6th one, factitive verb. What is a factitive verb? Factitive verb generally talks about the facts like elect, select, choose, name, designate, etc. Verbs take 2 objects or they seem to take 2 objects. Object 1 is a direct object. Object 2 is a complement. They describe a situation where there is a result to an action. They are used to indicate the resulting condition or state caused by the action of the verb. Generally, factitive verbs are not followed by as and they are used in active voice. Try to differentiate factitive verbs from other verbs. For simple example, if you take the word elect, you might have seen he was elected as the president. Here, elected is followed by as, but the sentence is in passive voice and elected is not acting as factitive verb. But the same elected can act as factitive verb in active voice like this. They elected him the president. Elected him the president. Here elected is not followed by as and here it is a factitive verb. Look at these examples. They judged Robert's dog best of show. The faculty elected Mr. Rajesh the new academic dean. The populace elected him President of the United States. The committee named Mr. Jeevan the chairman of the board. The jury judged the defendant not guilty. She deemed him a person of high quality. The group designated Marshall leader from then on. The coach made Timothy point guard. Now let's see our seventh one, phrasal verb. What is a phrasal verb? Verb combines with particle to form a new meaning called phrasal verb. What is this particle? The particle can be either a preposition or an adverb or sometimes the both. For example, Mahesh takes after Krishna. Kindly bear with me. I don't bank on you. Take your shoes off. In the first example, if you see takes after, it doesn't mean taking after someone. Here, take after means to resemble. It gives something new meaning. One verb can combine with different particles for different phrasal verbs. For example, look at this. Look. Form different phrasal verbs with the particles like this. Look at, look after, look for, look forward, look into, look up, look down on or look down upon, look out. There are many other phrasal verbs. Remember, every phrasal verb has different meaning. It's better to learn it as a word family to have a clarity. Phrasal verbs can give two different types of meanings. 1. Literal meaning, same according to the words. 2. Idiomatic meaning, which is new. Look at this set of examples. When the bell rang, all the kids ran out of classroom and left school. Ran out, running out. Oh no! We have run out of gas and the nearest gas station is 5 miles from here. Ran out doesn't mean running out, it is exhausted. Next, pick up. Madan, can you pick up the pen for me please? He picked up some new words and expressions while watching that movie. Take off. Raju, take off that funny hat. You look funny. The plane took off 30 minutes ago. Now let's see the 8th type, gerund. What is a gerund? Gerund is a present participle form, that is V4, acting as a noun. In basics, we have already discussed in detail. However, now let us see some more examples and learn better. Analyze the following examples. Hunting is a crime in India. Mohan likes reading books. We are tired of waiting for you. Hunting, reading, waiting. In these examples are not performing the action. They do not express the action done by a doer. So remember, present participle V4 acting as a noun is called gerund. In a sentence, a gerund can come in 4 positions. Let's see them. Gerund used as subject of the sentence. Dancing is fun. Swimming is a healthy exercise. Here, dancing and swimming are used as subjects and they are gerunds. Gerund used as object of the sentence. My father enjoys playing with children. Sita likes watering the garden. Playing, watering are objects of the sentence. Gerund used as complement of a verb. We enjoy watching movies. They like playing cricket. Here, watching and playing are complementing the verb. We enjoy movies. What? We enjoy movies what? We enjoy watching movies. It completes the sentence. Hence, it is a complement to the verb. Gerund used as object of the preposition. We are thinking about learning English in Hyderabad. My sister is fond of swimming. They are objects of prepositions. Now let's see the 9th and 10th one, transitive and intransitive verbs. 9. Transitive verb. What is a transitive verb? The word transitive expresses passing of action, transferring the action. Transitive verb is a verb which transfers the action from subject to object. That means there is a doer and the receiver of an action, and this verb is passing that action from doer to receiver. Look at the following sentences. Suresh killed a snake. I gave him a ball. Sita gives us gifts regularly. Transitive verbs express an action directed towards a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. The action passes from the doer, that is subject, to the receiver of the action. Object may be expressed or understood. Now, I'm going to give a simple way to find out whether the verb is a transitive verb or not. That is, by asking 3 simple questions. If you ask the 3 questions to your verb, they are what, whom, to whom. If you get an answer for any 2 of the 3 questions from the object side, then it is a transitive verb. Look at these examples. Ravi greeted the visitors. When will you paint your house? She gives us gifts regularly. Let's ask the questions to the last example. She gives us gifts regularly. She gives what? Gifts. Answered. She gives whom? Us. Answered. She gives to whom? To us. Answered. Hence, it is a transitive verb. Now let's see the last one, intransitive verb, which is not transitive, opposite to transitive verb. Intransitive verb doesn't transfer action from subject to object because in many cases we do not have an object. There is no receiver. Transitive verbs cannot give complete sense without an object. We require the receiver. On the other hand, intransitive verbs can give complete meaning without an object. Look at these examples. The birds are flying in the sky. Many leaves fall in the monsoon. He spoke for more than an hour. You can identify whether the verb is transitive or intransitive by asking the 3 simple questions here too. What, whom, and to whom. Many leaves fall in the monsoon. Many leaves fall what? No answer. Many leaves fall whom? No answer. Many leaves fall to whom? There is no answer. Hence, it is intransitive because intransitive verb fails to answer any 2 of the 3 questions. Intransitive verbs may give complete predication or incomplete predication. For example, the train stopped. Dogs bark. My car is red. He appears to be a doctor. So right guys, these are the 10 types of verbs. I hope you understood them and they are clear. Do learn them for application. I'll be seeing you in the next video with verbs application. Do subscribe to eKnowledge Hub and do share the videos with your kith and kin. I'll be seeing the next video. Till then, have a nice time.